Day 2, we finally got some good sleep, except for 7 hours.
Yep.
The room temperature was perfect.
We missed breakfast.
We need to get breakfast tomorrow though. Spanish 101. ¿Cómo estás?
Joel just learned that.
I have an umbrella because it is pouring
Right.
rain. Eight on Diana are on the way here.
Our first stop, we're probably gonna butcher this, is La Sagrada Familia.
Sorry, Adel. Sorry, Diana.
Welcome back.
You guys are 2 hours too late.
It's raining.
Wow, it actually looks amazing like in person.
Wow.
Alright, make sure you get your tickets online. If you're not, you're fucked. You have to wait in this long ass line. For La Sagrada Familia. So now we're just, oh my god.
I told you, come along.
That's
Now we're gonna find some
nice.
tapas.
Some tatas.
Tapas.
Oh, I want to find some tatas. Another tip of the day.
The Wi-Fi here isn't as accessible as it is in Amsterdam.
It is not as accessible.
So if you really need to get a hold of people, you might want to.
Look at her. Oh, why she sets up for this. We're so learning along the way. Try to find a day that's not raining. Totally thought he was a statue at first. Oh. Titi, where are we?
We're at La Banquera.
Hola. Every fat boy's dream. It's just traffic everywhere. A lot of things here. It's awesome over here. Fresh fruits. Look at all them cameras. Look at all them chickens.
All them euros.
Oh, cheers. I like how they call these tacos. But they're like burritos in America. We're eating raw meat. We're going home after this. We're gonna try it out. The guy said it was delicious.
Okay.
With this?
Yeah, of course.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Pedestrians have the right of way here. They actually stop for you here. So we're supposed to go to the Magic Fountain, and we went all the way from Las Ramblas. And we found out once we got up there that the fountain is closed. Actually, maybe because all these construction, look at all the...
All over Barcelona right now.
I know. Dude, did they just build the city?
What the hell?
What is going on with you guys? Get your shit together, Barcelona. You're supposed to know when we're gonna be here, and everything's supposed to be fixed.
For Prince Joel.
For Prince me.
Cheers from Barcelona. Oh, you need service, TT? Okay.
I didn't want to.
Hola.
Hello.
Can I get a glass of sangria? Gracias.
Oh, another tip. You will get mosquito bites.
In Amsterdam.
Show me your mosquito bite.
I have 5.
3 on your
1,
left?
2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, you got a lot, dude.
I have one like right here. I have one like back here.
For us? But you guys didn't leave your window open.
First night we did.
Okay. Did that happen the first night though?
Well, the first night we left it open, so the second night when we slept again, and I killed
Probably
and I
went
killed
in.
2 mosquitoes.
I only got 1 mosquito bite. Where'd you get your mosquito bite?
And my arm.
So if you can, at night, do not open your windows. If it's too hot though, just leave it open and just say fuck it. I said fuck it. I was right next to the window and I was sleeping outside of my blanket. Like, awesome.
Cherry
like,
bluff.
oh.
Awesome.
We about to get fucked up, bro.
Wait.
We about to get fucked up with paella and some paella.
Las Ramblas.
Las Ramblas. He got bars. Oh shit! It's super clear tonight. No rain, baby.